Hey everybody, I know I've been gone for a while and a lot of subscribers have joined on, so that's really cool. So hopefully some of the new stuff coming out is going to be a lot of fun. I've been gone for a while because I took a family trip out to Alaska, which is really cool, and I'm going to show you a video here in a second. But also because I've been doing some racing, and we did the Street Machine Challenge here in Minnesota, and the Corvette right here took first place in our class, in the Corvette class, so that was really cool. Set down a lot of really fast times, had a great time with it. I've got video of that coming up soon. I also have behind me here, I have a bandsaw that I got as a Father's Day gift, and I've got a review of that as well. But really what I want to show you today is a huge glacier cleaving that we saw and were able to witness in the Aialik State Park, basically, which is the Aialik Glacier in Alaska. We took one of those boat tours, one of the big boat tours. And when you watch this, bear in mind, we are required to stay away at least a quarter mile or further. And I think we were close to maybe 3/8 of a mile away from this. And it only looked about, yay big off in the distance, but the park ranger that was with us, plus the captain, had said that it was probably close to a 10 to 12-story building height. That's how far away this was and how big this glacier cleaved right in front of us. It is absolutely enormous. I'm going to show you the video, and then I've got some time-lapse photos of it, so maybe some higher res photos to go with it. And they said it was the biggest thing they had ever seen come off a glacier. It was impressive, and I want to show it to you. So, enjoy.